have not started yet my political science, so I don't have that much knowledge regarding human rights. Okay, so I will talk superficially. I will not go into that much depth, and I will conclude my speech in some minutes. So every living being needs air and water, whether it is human, plant, or animal. Just like as a citizen, we need human rights. Without the human rights, citizens can't live properly in any country, whether it is India or take it any country. I think we derived the rights from America, the Charter of Rights. Am I right? Yeah. So Charter of Right, I think we derived from America.
Charter.
Charter of
No.
Rights.
British.
No, I think from America.
Okay.
Different things.
Yeah. And these rights, I think nowadays we can see, but I don't think that they are, I think, only on paper, not in reality. There are a lot of things that we need to do, like we need to make aware our citizens about our rights. This thing, I think everyone mentioned about that we need to create some campaigns where we can aware our citizens about our rights, because in today's life where women don't spare their single rupee, but when when it comes about their rights, they don't know how to file petition against if anyone revokes our right. So there is, I think, some term like writs. Writs, na? Supreme Court issues writs. If suppose the rights
Violated.
get violated, then Supreme Court issues writs. But everyone doesn't know about that. So we should, I think, create some campaign, and through that we need to aware about the rights. And there are, I think, some rights, like I think there are six main rights, six or seven main rights. Right to education, or right to practice religion, or right to freedom of speech. Okay, but I don't think that it is in reality. And there are some still rights we need, and we need to inculcate in our constitution. As because if we see, and we can take, if you can take example, the western countries, after the western countries, so there are some rights which they inculcated in their I think constitution, like Spain, LGBTQ rights. Still our country is not, I think, in a situation where they can accept the such rights. And so many things, we are not that much of I think concerned about our environment. So yeah, I know that in some months ago, Supreme Court, I think, enrolled by their verdict right to the environment, I think, something like that, in Article 21. But there are some rights which we need, because as we are progressing, our rights also increase. We can't, I think, confine ourselves to some 6 to 10 rights which we know. I think beyond that we need a lot of rights. And he mentioned very beautiful thing, and in a very short and very concise manner, that right to information. I think right to information, it is not mentioned. I know that it is mentioned in the constitution, but when we study, not in the fundamental rights, but it's a fundamental right. I am not. I don't have that much expertise to comment on this, but I feel that we need that right to information, because yeah, no. But we should include that right to information in our fundamental right. That I believe. So because what happens, because we don't know what's happening around us. If anything happens, like any construction, any development, any service which is made to us, and it is, if we not aware that if what actually happened in that, so the citizens should aware about this. And what, so rights. Okay, so as per the Irfan, so rights, he mentioned, I think, defined very well what is the right. So And I will also mention that what is right. Rights, I think that which makes human life very mm, comfortable, and the rights which is the rights which are justiciable in the view of society. Can say that, and that is it. I'm really feeling very